another.
Oh, this passion fruit is good. Cosmo, you want to buy the passion fruit? Oh my gosh. Every other day or so, Ellen and Andrew, my sister and brother-in-law, have been taking the baby off my hands so I can do some yoga, and it's been so rejuvenating. If you know me at all, if you've been following my story, yoga has been so pivotal in my life. It's been transformative on a physical level, on a pelvic floor level, on a sexual level, on a spiritual level, on everything. It's like, I just feel like a lot of people think about yoga like it's just stretching. Yoga is so much more, and it's not something I can like really easily put into words. I don't know, I've never really studied yogic tradition. I just do yoga and I experience the benefits. And I found that yoga is transformative and magical and life-changing when it's done every single day, and that's my goal to try to get to. It's really hard with a baby that still wakes up at night and trying to figure out like how to wake up before him. I'm still sort of figuring it out, but I have hope. My goal is to get into a really consistent yoga routine very soon. And anyway, it's been really nice to have a little bit more yoga in my life being here, because Ellen and Andrew can take him off my hands for a second, because Eric works a full-time job and it's just like with schedules, it's just a little bit different. I'm also getting eaten alive back here. I love the scenery, I love the setting, but mosquitoes love me. I don't know if anyone else out there is the same way, but I am mosquitoes' favorite lunchtime meal. If you're new to my channel, by the way, and you're curious like how I practice yoga, I always practice yoga at home. I rarely go to a yoga studio, and I practice through this site called Banana Blondie Yoga. It is my favorite way to do yoga because the teacher, Michelle, is just so, I don't know, she's just my favorite teacher I've ever found. I've been practicing with her for years now. Check out Banana Blondie Yoga if you're interested in getting more serious about your yoga, and it's just like a really affordable way to be able to do yoga every day. And it doesn't have to be an hour-long class. Like, she has lots of short classes too. And yeah, I encourage everyone to get on your mat today. Okay, now it's time to brush our teeth, which typically would be a boring, mundane activity, but I'm pretty excited about brushing my teeth lately because I have a new sponsor. Have you guys heard of Bite before? It's this amazing, revolutionary new way to do toothpaste. They're little bits, and so it totally takes the plastic tube out of the equation, because toothpaste tubes can be incredibly wasteful. We waste so many every year, and they're made out of good for you ingredients, and they're not filled with all these harsh chemicals or nonsense fillers or any other additives that you don't want to put in your mouth twice a day. Bite has a daily habit set, which comes with toothpaste bits, mouthwash, a toothbrush, and floss. You can choose from 3 different flavors: charcoal, berry, or mint. I have mint. And with the toothpaste, mouthwash, brush, and floss, it's a 4-month supply. I have been really dedicated to flossing for the past few years, and this is some of the best floss I've ever found. I just feel like it really gets it very clean, and I love that you're not wasting all this useless plastic, and it's no risk for 30 days, but I really don't think you're not gonna like it because it's so easy to use. You might be like, wait, what? It's a toothpaste? But it's not a cream, and it doesn't come in a tube. It's this little, beautiful little bit, and it sort of looks like a mint, but what you're gonna do is you're just gonna bite down on it and chew it until it becomes a fine powder, and then you use a wet toothbrush. You can use a manual toothbrush or an electric toothbrush, and you just brush as normal. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna bite down. We're gonna wet our toothbrush and brush as normal. I love that they're naturally whitening and they're so much less abrasive, and you're not wasting any toothpaste at the end of the tube because you can get every last bit out. And also, I travel a lot, so I love having TSA friendly toothpaste. If you're interested in trying out Bite, click the link in my description to get 20% off their daily habit set plus free shipping on orders over $30. The bundle is already discounted, but with my code Hannah, you get an additional 20% off. I feel like people forget about oral hygiene a lot, and people don't go to the dentist to get their teeth cleaned. They're not flossing daily, and I'm one of those people that's like, are you flossing? Did you floss? Okay, I feel refreshed. I feel clean. I put some deodorant on instead of showering because who has time for showering, speaking of hygiene? And let's go start our day and let's go eat some vegan goodness. Gonna enjoy this green smoothie. It has tons of kale in it, lots of fresh fruit, and some sugar cane and homemade plant milk. I'm just at my sister's house right now, and yes, we are in this beautiful, peaceful environment, but I will say with all of the kids, plus my kid, and just trying to do everything, it's always a little bit chaotic, but it's my favorite time to be here with my family and enjoying the island. We don't have a lot on the schedule today. It's a lot of just like working from home and making food, and I'm planning on making a really delicious dinner for my family tonight. But I'm just gonna be out here hanging out with the babies and drinking fruits and vegetables. Ellen and I are just working on the deck while Cosmo sleeps in the Ohana, and she surprised me and made me salad. And I'm very grateful. What's in it? What's the dressing?
Tahini, lime, what else? Salt, pepper, white balsamic vinegar.
Yum. Hello and welcome. It's like we're almost done with the video, but I'm making dinner and I thought I should share with you.
Well, we're making dinner right now and I'm excited because I always love trying new recipes, and I love that my sister's making dinner tonight. So
Yes, let's be clear. I'm making dinner
Yeah, I'm not making dinner. I have work to do. I'm going in the other room.
But we're making BBQ sandwiches that are so delicious. I made them the other day.
Smells good already.
I mean, it's just like spices and vegetables and herbs with millet as the base and some black beans and sweet potatoes. Something about the millet makes it like the best texture. So yeah, let's keep cooking. And I'm also, by the way, because this is a what I ate video, I'm having a little afternoon snack of celery and peanut butter. The end.
You don't want to add raisins to make it ensalada?
No, I do not.
It's like official.
I am so excited to share with you guys this delicious recipe. I put the full recipe in the description box, but I'll just show you a little bit of what we did here. You just need some baked sweet potatoes, some millet, and then the flax seeds and chickpea flour for binding, and then onions, bell pepper, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, black beans, and cilantro. Once all of this is combined, you're going to use your hands to form patties and squeeze them into a nice shape. Place them onto your parchment paper lined trays and bake them at 425 for 30 minutes or until they easily lift from the paper, and then you're just gonna flip and bake for another 10 minutes. You want them to stay together really well and be nice and crispy. These are super flavorful and have the best texture, and I recommend serving them on toasted buns or bread, and you can top them with anything from avocado slices to sliced red onion, your favorite barbecue sauce, cashew sour cream because it's always really beautiful and creamy, arugula, tomato slices, even pineapple rings. There are so many options for toppings here. Thank you for following along this What I Ate Today. There are so many amazing ways to eat vegan. Remember, you don't have to eat like me. If you want to be vegan, you can be your own kind of vegan. I'll see you in the next video. So remember, if you want to try out Bite to get an additional 20% off the already discounted daily habit set plus free shipping on orders over $30, use my code Hannah and use the link in my description.